Basa fish, also known as catfish, is a popular fish in Southeast Asia and is known for its mild, sweet flavor and delicate texture. It is also a great source of nutrients such as protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin B12. In this article, we will explore the nutritional benefits of Basa fish, how to prepare it, and the calorie content of some popular dishes. Nutritional benefits of Basa fish. Basa fish is a rich source of protein, containing around 15 to 20 grams per 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, of fish. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body, and is also important for maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. Basa fish is also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential fats that our bodies cannot produce on their own. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to have numerous health benefits, including reducing inflammation, improving heart health, and promoting brain function. In addition, Basa fish is high in vitamin B12, a nutrient that is important for healthy nerve function and the production of red blood cells. Preparing Basa fish. Basa fish can be prepared in a variety of ways, including grilling, baking, or pan frying. Here are some popular Basa fish recipes. Grilled Basa fish. Marinate Basa fillets in olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and herbs, then grill until cooked through. Baked Basa fish. Coat Basa fillets in breadcrumbs or a mixture of Parmesan cheese and herbs, then bake in the oven until golden brown. Pan-fried Basa fish. Dredge Basa fillets in flour, then pan-fry in butter until crispy and golden brown. Calorie content of Basa fish dishes. The calorie content of Basa fish dishes can vary depending on the cooking method and additional ingredients used. Here are some examples. Grilled Basa fish. A 3.5 ounce, 100 gram, serving of grilled Basa fish contains around 90 calories. Baked Basa fish. A 3.5 ounce, 100 gram, serving of baked Basa fish coated in breadcrumbs contains around 120 calories. Pan-fried Basa fish. A 3.5 ounce, 100 gram, serving of pan-fried Basa fish contains around 150 calories. It is worth noting that the calorie content of a dish can increase significantly depending on the additional ingredients used, such as butter, oil, or heavy sauces. For a healthier meal, opt for grilled or baked Basa fish and pair it with a side of steamed vegetables or a salad. In conclusion, Basa fish is a nutritious and versatile ingredient that can be incorporated into a variety of dishes. It is a great source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin B12, making it a healthy addition to any diet. Try out some of the recipes above and enjoy the delicious flavor and nutritional benefits of Basa fish. If you're looking for more information on Basa fish, there are a few other things you might be interested in.